Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare the Chinese steamed chicken. Now in this recipe, we only need a few ingredients: garlic, ginger, scallion, and some red wine, and the chicken of course. And that's it, we don't need any others, it's very simple. And therefore, it is very important to choose a good quality chicken. I'm using the free range chicken in this recipe, and that is the best. This recipe is very common to serve during festive, during Chinese New Year, and to worship our ancestor. So, without further ado, let me show you how to prepare this Chinese style steamed chicken. I start off the preparation by cleaning the chicken and season with salt. Next, cut some garlic, ginger, and scallion. Then prepare the dipping sauce for the chicken by combining the grated ginger, scallion, and season with some salt, sugar, and pepper. Stuff the ginger, scallion, garlic, and rice wine into the chicken cavity. And now it's ready to steam the chicken. Wait until the chicken is completely cold, then cut it into pieces. Now it's time to serve and enjoy. That's how they prepare the Chinese style steamed chicken, and in Chinese we call it 白切鸡. And if you want to get a recipe, please follow the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KB Kwan from tasteasianfood.com. Bye.